Hi, Ronald. I hope you're doing well. My name is Anna. I'm calling from Geomarketing Consultant in Charlotte, North Carolina. We're doing this customized video about how you can beat out your competition online. And since I don't want to waste any more of your time or mine, if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how I can help you bring on new customers, give me a call. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them and see how they work out for you. So let's get started. The three different topics I'm going to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with the content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. The pictures are saved with a name, so that's also considered to be content that is readable by the search engines. For example, let's see what this picture saved as. Home explosive repairs. Easily you could put painter, Winnsboro, South Carolina, a keyword that someone searches in Google to find a painter in your area. Content in our front page should be typically around 1,500 to 2,000 words. And although this might sound a bit wordy, it's what your front page should have in terms of word count to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services. If we look at your page word count, we can see that your front page has, put in your website here, 770 words, which proves what we usually come across, and that content is something that web designers overlook. So the first tip that I want to give you is that you need to make sure that you have more relevant keyword-rich content that is unique on your front page so that the search engines can help rank your company as high as possible. The second thing that I want to go over with you is citations. So I did a search here on Google and I put in kitchen remodeler, Winnsboro, South Carolina. The reason I put kitchen remodeler because I know it's a high-end ticket job and I see that you do kitchen remodeling on your website too. So if we go down to the map section following the search query, we basically see those three listings known as the Google Map Pack right here. JM Home Repairs, We Love Construction, and Residential Construction Services. These are all companies that come up for Winnsboro, South Carolina. Kitchen remodelers. Well, you're going to get 20% of your total calls by being in the spot, and you do that by using citations, which are essentially your business's name, address, and phone number listed in different directories all throughout the internet. We have a special tool here at the agency that tells us how many citations you have in comparison to your biggest competitors. So what would be tip number 2? In order for you to beat out your competition and be on the map pack, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition is listed in, get in those same directories, and then add a little bit more, because that is kind of what matters the most, is how to rank your company here in the maps. Now the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks. Backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps, which is this section here. And basically what a backlink is just a website that's sending a link back to your page. So by using a tool that we have here in the agency, we're going to see all the different websites that are currently linking to you. So I put your website here in the tool we use, and it says you have no backlinks, no referring to domains, which give you no keywords, leading no traffic to your website monthly. So you're missing out on a lot of profitable business here. So you take a look at some of your competition. Well, going back to the organic section of Google, these are not paid ads. Angie's List comes up, which is very easy for us to beat. House comes up, easy for us to beat. So you can be found up here. Porch.com, easy for us to beat. Better Business Bureau, these are not businesses. These are just sites with company names, directories. Yelp, another directory. Home Advisor, another directory. Facebook. So we've got 2 companies here on the first page of the Google search results. These are not ads. One's a Facebook page of Winnsboro Cabinet and Flooring Auction. And one's another one, Kitchen and Bath Designer near me, Palmetto Renovation. So let's check these guys out. Winnsboro Cabinet and Flooring Auction. So this guy is in Myrtle Beach, but he comes up in Winnsboro also. And he gets, if I put him in he has 2 backlinks. It's the Facebook page, of course, leading him to 5 keywords and 17 monthly visitors on that page. So that's a lot of opportunity you're missing out on here. And then the other guy that was below him is Palmetto Renovations out of Columbia, South Carolina. They're ranked for Winnsboro, South Carolina. I know because Columbia's near, of course. I went to his website, put his website in the tool, and he has 1,000 backlinks, giving him 475 organic keywords, leading him to 172 potential customers visiting his website monthly. So this is a lot of missed opportunity for you, sir. So if we click on his organic keywords here, we can start picking those that are relevant to you and what you would like to go after, because as I said earlier, in order to beat out your competition online, you just got to rank for more keywords and in higher places like them. So that's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how I can help you grow your business and bring you some new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you. And if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on this video, I'd appreciate it. Thank you for your time, Ronald. Hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.